we bundled two of our most popular pattern styles to boost both your wardrobe and your sewing skills. With the Nico bias cut sleeveless sheath in 4 length options, you get a clean minimalist silhouette to wear alone or paired with other pieces. It's a simple pattern, but the real magic is that it's cut on the bias. Madeleine Vionnet, the couturier who invented the bias, realized that everyone made dresses that flowed in the same direction. When she turned the fabric on an angle, she discovered that it gained elasticity. Here you see the Nico skimming the body. Watch what happens when I pull at the sides. The fabric stretches as you move and conforms to the shape of your body. Both the neckline and armholes are very easy to adjust in height. We have side bust darts for shaping, a generous waist, clean finished side seam construction, and for the maxi dress, side slits for easy movement. In contrast, the Lily turns up the volume with a romantic, billowy silhouette with loads of details in variations of a dress, tunic, blouse, and skirt. The overall fit of the dress is carried through the tunic and blouse versions. We have a wide, dropped shoulder with deep armholes for a soft, draped, feminine fit. The back yoke and pleating adds a nice tailored detailing, and the high collar band and button placket gives the versatility of being buttoned up or open and loose. The French cuffs and pleating give the sleeves a soft, girly, and tailored feel. Yes, we have pockets. They balance over the side seams and add a layer of structure at the sides of the hips. Take a look at all the top stitching and double stitching throughout the collar, the placket, the shoulders, the cuffs, pocket and slit hem detailing. Given the finer quality of a linen garment, we enjoy seeing the upgraded stitching details. We believe that creators are amazing and that making clothes is a superpower. So we dreamed a big dream. We wanted to give creators like you the best possible tools to realize your dreams and projects. And after 20 years of selling premium fabrics to tens of thousands of artists like you, we got a star team of experts together to make the best patterns possible. That's what you see here today. A new standard in sewing patterns that are fun, easy, and exciting to make. And along the way, we fixed a few problems you probably know all too well. Instead of fiddly tissue paper, we used a bright, white, sturdy paper that is just the right weight to pin through with your fabric but resist tearing. Now you don't have to worry about annoying creases, because the pattern arrives rolled instead of folded. And instead of folding your pattern back into an envelope, you simply roll it back into the tube or hang it freely with the pattern hook provided. We also got rid of confusing, overlapping lines. To keep things clean, each size is indicated with a solid line in a unique color. This way, you can easily blend sizes or trace off your desired size. Now, many of us know that commercial patterns, as wonderful as they are, usually don't fit as well as our ready-to-wear clothes. That is because most of the big pattern companies use size charts that are well over 50 years old. They did this for convenience, and many assume that our bodies grow proportionally between sizes. Of course, today we know better. Our bodies have changed in those 50 years, and the latest 3D body scan data supports this. Fit, proper fit, is all about shape, not measurements, and that's why we make up to 20 fit samples for every style, testing and fine-tuning them on real women who represent our real customers. And if you ever have any questions about your pattern, complimentary email support is always included. Going back to Nico, the drape of the bias cut is very comfortable to wear with natural ease and stretch. The maxi and short dress are great worn alone, or layered with a blouse. The tunic works wonderfully with pants. Sew the Nico camisole in a dozen colors, to wear with pants and skirts or layered under other tops and jackets. As for the Lily collection, you get 4 style variations: a pullover dress, a tunic, a blouse, and a skirt. The dress is our featured style, with modest length, flirty side slits, and a short sleeve. The tunic is just like the dress, except in a shorter length and with 3/4 sleeves. It pairs wonderfully with pants. The blouse version has a curved shirt tail, with short sleeves and no pockets. It's shown here with the Lily skirt, which has an elastic paper bag style waist and the same pocket and side slit details as the dress. Every item in the collection was made using our fabrics, which we also manufacture, so you can be sure they'll work every time. We also know that many of our valued customers sew not just for themselves, but also run a business. And that's why I'm excited to let you know that this pattern comes license-free, so you can use it however you like. And in case you're not absolutely madly in love with your sewing pattern collection, you have 30 days to return it for a 100% money-back guarantee.